is looking pretty in the pouring rain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo warga semasa, kami dari MPK UPT Negeri 1 Sopeng periode 2024-2025 ingin melaksanakan simulasi pencoblosan dan pemungutan suara calon Ketua Osis dan Wakil Ketua Osis tahun 2024. Info lebih lanjut, kalian bisa simak video berikut.
What could it be better? Just come right on over and make yourself comfy. Lay your head on me. Tonight we stay sober, 'cause nobody's in the pouring rain. And things they ain't perfect, but I
Nur Ashtar Muassam Syahidin.
You know the city lights, they sure look nice now. I wouldn't mind driving around all night, or put on a record and we'll just pass them by. Have a little party in here, just you and I, and the streets will be singing Jakarta